If you're looking to generate higher quality commercial leads, there's a couple of things that I really believe that you need to do. So the first one of those is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is an amazing platform. You might be watching this video on LinkedIn at the moment. If you are watching this on LinkedIn, great, you're on the platform. If you're watching this on another platform, register on LinkedIn. LinkedIn is not a social media site. Let's get that really, really clear. LinkedIn is a networking site. So do everything you would do at a networking meeting. Introduce yourself to people. Strike up conversations about things that aren't business. Build rapport. Get to the point where people know you, like you, and trust you, and they'll want to do business with you. But let me tell you, if you're looking at doing outbound lead generation, don't look at telesales. Don't look at cold email marketing. Look at LinkedIn more seriously. And if you're telling me and thinking, actually, LinkedIn doesn't work, Jamie, then you've got the wrong strategy, because I promise you, it works. It's not only worked for myself, it's also worked for countless clients who are closing six-figure contracts on the platform. Not tenders, six-figure contracts. They're meeting with someone who is already warm to them, likes them, knows them, trusts them, and they are interested in working with them before they've even had that quote meeting. That's the power of the platform.